Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. MGP and NCP may not file their candidature for Valpai by-election. MGP hints at support to the Congress. NCP to decide after meeting GPCC chief. BJP opposes pay parking in Panji and Donapaula by the CCP, warns contractors of dire consequences if they opt for contract. State government formally conveys casino operators its decision of reshuffling within Mandavi operators to reply the High Court by Thursday. Salsette politics heats up yet again. Churchill says Francis Sardina and Luis Filero are taking undue credit for Wellington train. And DM's College win men's championship. Don Bosco and Damodar College share women's title at Inter-College Swimming Tournament. And now the news in detail. Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party and Nationalist Congress Party may not file their candidature for Valpai by-election. MGP President Deepak Dharwekar hinted that MGP may support Congress by virtue of being the coalition partner. Similarly, NCP is waiting for their state president to hold meeting with GPCC chief to take a final decision.
Election Commission of India on Monday declared Valpai by-election on 18th October. Coalition partner MGP and NCP may not field their candidate. MGP Executive Committee will meet on Saturday to take a final call.
वाळपयचे बाय इलेक्शन कालूच डिक्लेअर जाला आणि त्या खातीर आमी येते ते शेनवारा आमची केंद्रीय समितीची बैठक आपयल्ली आसा त्याचेर विचार करपा खातीर आणि ती बैठक जातकीर आमचे डिसिजन जाहीर जातले पूण आमी ह्या काँग्रेस सरकारात कोएलिशन पार्टनर म्हणून आसात आणि कोएलिशन पार्टनर असल्या कारणान आमी काँग्रेसच्या उमेदवाराक सपोर्ट दिवपाचें ठरू शकता कारण कोएलिशन असल्या कारणान आमी विरुद्ध उमेदवार उबो करप हे बरोबर जावचें ना.
Similarly, NCP says that they cannot contest election against each other as they have alliance at state and national level. However, they are waiting their state president José Philip de Sousa to hold a meeting with GPCC president to take final call on the issue.
My party president is likely to return on the 26th or 27th, and I am very confident that he and the Congress president will sit together and work out the modalities and strategies for the by-election at Valpai.
Also, same time, NCP is alliance with Congress. So, is there any incline towards supporting a Congress candidate?
In an alliance, we will not contest against each other. This is the obvious. The final modalities will be decided by both the party presidents.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent Media.
BJP has strongly opposed the pay parking contract by Panji Corporation. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has blamed CCP for creating parking problem in Panji. Parrikar has warned all the interested parties not to take up the tender or to face the consequences.
Panji Corporation has decided to implement pay parking system in Panji on 18 June Road and at the New Market. They are also planning to have the same at Donapal Jetty. CCP Commissioner Elvis Combs had informed media that the contract will be issued soon to the interested parties. But BJP has strongly opposed it. Manohar Parrikar along with the councillors held a press conference wherein he blamed the Panji Corporation for the present parking mess in the city.
ताजो एक 18 जून रोड आसा आनी तातलो दुसरो रस्तो आहा ते मार्केटाच्या सभोवती मार्केट बांदता आसतना मार्केटाच्या मुनाक पे पार्किंगाची वेवस्था केल्ली आसा मार्केटाच्या सभोवती कित्याक रोमट जाता ताजी उत्तरां अनेक आसा ती हांव सेपरेटली दिता, पण आमी इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की ह्या म्युन्सिपाल्टीच्या पे पार्किंगाक म्हजो स्वता आमदार म्हणून आनी आमचे कावन्सिलर्स सगळे पणजेचे कावन्सिलर्स हू आर इन मेजॉरिटी अगेन तकलेन इन पणजी पार्ट ऑफ इट, पणजे शहरान आमचे कावन्सिलर मेजॉरिटीन आहा तांचो आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो पणजे शाखेचो तिगांचो पूर्ण विरोध आहा. द म्युन्सिपाल्टी इज criminally responsible for this parking problem, criminally responsible. तातून भितर chairperson, mayor is equally responsible.
Parrikar said that they will not allow any of the contractor to take up the job.
आणि विरोध कितलो जाल्यार कोणे पे पार्किंग घेवचें मागीर ते घेणाऱ्या मनशाक कळटलें कितें जाता तें. हांव डायरेक्ट आय एम वॉर्निंग those who are quoting for it. They should realize that this is without following proper legal formalities as well as procedural formalities.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sushant Pal.
The state government has formally conveyed to the casino operators its decision of reshuffling casinos within Mandavi. The recent cabinet decision was placed before Goa bench of Bombay High Court on Tuesday and was intimated to the petitioners. Operators will reply to the High Court by Thursday.
The matter came up for hearing before the bench of Justice D.G. Karnik and Justice S.M. Resh on Tuesday. Cabinet decision of reshuffling the offshore casinos within the Mandovi River was formally conveyed to the casino operators. Casino operators seem satisfied with the cabinet decision except the Casino Rio. Operators will discuss the government's proposal and will reply to the High Court by Thursday.
In principle, Maharaja has accepted it, and Rio, we are still going through the decision because we have been asked to move as far as Rio is concerned to the other side of the river Mandovi, that is our other side of the Mandovi bridge. It may be practically impossible to do so also. So let us consider that aspect. We are already considering that aspect, and then we'll decide tomorrow whether what should be the next course of action. In principle, I am informed that almost all are accepting the decision. So let us see what happens. We'll have to wait and watch till tomorrow and after tomorrow.
If casino operators fail to withdraw the petition by Thursday, then the bench will take up the matter for final hearing in the next week and dispose it of accordingly. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.